Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto to Base network in Coinbase Wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Log into your account if prompted. Locate the settings gear icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on settings to enter the settings menu. Scroll down and select networks. Find and choose Base from the list of available networks. Tap the Add Network button if Base is not currently in your networks. Confirm the addition of the Base network. Return to the main wallet interface. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Tap Send to initiate a transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer. In the recipient field, choose or enter your Base network address. Double-check that the network selected is Base. Review all transaction details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few moments. Check your wallet balance to ensure the transfer has been completed. If necessary, return to the Networks section to toggle between networks. Now you have successfully transferred crypto to the Base network in your Coinbase wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.